Want to absolutely destroy your teenage years? Follow this foolproof plan. First, compare yourself to everyone on social media. That girl with perfect skin, she's definitely not using filters. That guy with abs, totally natural, not staged lighting. Next, overthink every social interaction. Did your crush's hey text seem less enthusiastic than usual? Definitely means they hate you. Analyze it for 3 hours, then procrastinate on everything important while staying up until 3 a.m. scrolling TikTok. Sleep is overrated anyway, and that math test will magically study itself. Finally, never try anything new, because you might look stupid. Stay in your comfort zone forever. Who needs growth or experiences? Oh, and always assume your parents know nothing. They've only been alive for like 40 years or whatever. Congratulations. You've successfully wasted the most formative years of your life. Your future self says thanks. Just kidding, they're crying. Don't actually do any of this. Your teens deserve better. Peace.
Open the door! You did this to me! You did this to me, Beth. You ruined my life!